to Gracebreed Believers Assembly, where God is raising balanced believers. And your life as a believer will be balanced in the name of Jesus. Spirit, soul, and body, you will do well. In the name of Jesus. We started looking at a new series last Sunday, the spirit of honor. And last Sunday we said honor is a big deal in this kingdom. And for anyone to rise in this kingdom, the person must be a person of honor. For those who don't want to rise, honor may not be very necessary. But for everyone in this kingdom, everyone who is a believer, who desires to rise, honor is one of the fundamental requirements. We also said that destiny fails when dishonor becomes a lifestyle. And we went further to explain the fact that Christianity works. And when what works is not working for you, we said you should ask the question why.